of Haya Halabi, Holistic Real Estate Services, and Remax Escarpment. I'd like to introduce 47 Rose Crescent, fully done, 3-level backsplit, detached home, located at the base of the escarpment, walking distance to all amenities in the heart of Stoney Creek. Come on inside, tour this home with me, and discover all the great features it has to offer. You will love cooking in this kitchen with abundance of walnut cabinetry, gorgeous granite countertops and backsplash, and a large island, which makes this room the hub of the house. You can lose yourself in the lower level of this house, including a huge bright family room with wood plank accent wall and high efficiency wood stove insert for all your family gatherings and celebration. On the other side, you will find an oversized game room, including a billiard table with its custom-made rustic light fixture, plus plenty of space for gaming and other entertainment needs. Also in the lower level, we offer large exercise room, full bathroom, and a separate walk-up entrance to the basement. Let us book your next vacation in this amazing backyard with 20 by 40 in-ground pool, concrete patios with privacy and great space for all your family fun and relaxation. It's time to have it all, and you deserve it. This home is the perfect recipe for a happy family and a great place to work and play. For more details on this listing and others, I invite you to reach out to us at hayahalabi.com. Thank you for taking the time.